This is Darren and Samantha Wolff. They are commanders here at Brass Eagle Adventure Team. As Adventure Team commanders, they have led expeditions to some of the most remote and challenging places on Earth. Darren Wolff is a man of diverse talents and skills. One of his greatest skills is his ability to conquer fear, whether he's skydiving from high altitudes or scaling treacherous mountains. His academic background in archaeology, anthropology, and parapsychology has been instrumental in his adventures. He has conducted investigations into the mysterious and unexplained, seeking to understand the unknown and shed light on the unseen. Samantha Wolff. She has made a name for herself in the field of adventure and exploration. Samantha's love for adventure and the outdoors started at a young age. With an academic background in archaeology and anthropology, it has been instrumental in her knowledge of ancient civilizations and cultures. It has helped her understand the history and the significance of the many sites she has explored. Darren and Sam met in a remote pub called the Adventure Pub. They shared love for adventure, exploration, and the outdoors brought them together, and they have been inseparable ever since. Together, they have explored many parts of the world, uncovering hidden secrets and unlocking mysteries that have been shrouded in obscurity for centuries. Their expertise in the field has made them an authority in the world of adventure and exploration. Their knowledge of ancient civilizations and cultures have allowed them to explore historical sites with a unique perspective, uncovering hidden secrets and unlocking mysteries that have been shrouded in obscurity for centuries. They are fearless, knowledgeable, and dedicated. Their experiences have taught them to approach every challenge with a sense of purpose and to always strive for excellence. Thanks for joining us. Tune in next week as we continue the adventure. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.